Hey friends, today we're making super crispy garlic chicken wings, an absolute crowd pleaser. First, cut each wing in half, pat them dry, then coat with cornstarch, soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, white pepper, and a splash of Shaoxing wine. Give everything a good rub and let it relax for 30 minutes. While the wings marinate, mince a mountain of garlic, soak it for 5 minutes, and drain. Dice the onion plus some green and red peppers. Easy prep work done. Time to get that signature garlic crunch. In plenty of oil over low heat, gently fry the minced garlic until it turns golden and smells amazing. Scoop it out and keep it for later. Crank the heat to medium, slide in the marinated wings, and fry until both sides are beautifully golden. Pull them out and let the excess oil drip off. Almost there. Stir fry the diced veggies until fragrant, toss in the wings, and shower everything with that crispy fried garlic. Finish with sesame seeds and scallions. Boom, irresistible garlic chicken wings are ready. Enjoy. If you love real Chinese home cooking, hit subscribe and stick around for more 5-step goodness. See you next time.